Do a hole first.
Yep.
So first we do a hole. So we got to do this one. That's the hole maker. I put that in here. And then where do you want the hole?
Probably on the corners. Yeah, right there.
Right here?
Yeah.
I press that together. I loosen it by doing that.
Yep.
Take it off. There's the hole. Got it? Okay, now I'm going to trace it. Wait a second. Get a pencil. Ready? Ready? Trace it on here. So we know where the hole goes. And then go here. That's the hole maker.
Yep.
I go where the pencil mark is. Right there on the pencil mark. Loosen it. There's your hole. So now the two holes line up. See? Then I go like this. We're going to now do the snap. So I change this from this. I put this one on. Like that. I put this snap on there like that. And the hole. I put that on the bottom of it. Like, see, like that. The bottom. And then I put this one on top. Like that. Right? Got it? And then I press. Like that. Go like that. There it is. Okay, now I change this. I put this one on. Like that. Put that there. Have a look around, Colton. Okay, now the pieces I need are, I scroll down here. Those ones. So I need this piece. And this piece. This piece. These two pieces. Those are the ones I need, just like that. And then I go through here on here. This hole. I gotta make sure I get this right. Like that. Is that right? No, that's not right. I gotta go like that. Because this snaps on there like that.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, now Silas, I go like this. I have that one. And then I put it underneath on the thing. I go like this. I gotta make sure I'm on it, right? I gotta make sure I'm on it in there. Then you ready? And then I press. Okay, I release with this. I lift. You ready? Ta-da! Woo! That's right, baby.
All right.